I want to talk about how social media affects your case. It's very damaging in most instances. I've never seen it help anyone. So here's what I would suggest. I'd suggest you turn it to private and then don't delete it. That's the last thing you want to do because they can still track it. They can track the metadata. And so anything you have on there ever can be tracked. So make sure that you put it to private, and I would strongly suggest you never post anything during your personal injury case. And here's why. If you put anything on there that even shows any kind of happiness or joy or fun things that you're doing with your family, then they're going to think your emotional distress case is not legitimate. If I've had attorneys that have hammered my clients on travel even. Hey, if you say you're so hurt, why did you go to California in a 4-hour drive in a car? I've had other ones where they, posted things like going dancing with friends and things like that. And, even though my client tells me, hey, guess what? I had a lot of medication. I was in a lot of pain, but it's the fact that you're out having fun and enjoying life, it's very damning to you in your case, and especially in front of a jury. And the defense is really going to pick that apart. The problem is even having your family members tag you on stuff, because they'll look at all your family members and see what pictures that they have and what they're tagging you on. So just ask people not to tag you on anything. Definitely do not go over any of your injuries or any of your case status with, don't post anything about your case at all. There's another issue that arises. There can be a pre-existing condition that pops up because of stuff that's on your social media. So make sure that you don't just make it private, because they can look and see you had past injuries. Was your back hurting before? Were you playing with your kids? All kinds of things come up because of anything with social media. I would just 100% don't do any of it until your case is over.